And this is the Aussie Production Ventures busy. Over here we're building, we're prepping Bertolini pumps for Scud 400s, gearbox drives. Over here we're building Honda powered GMP 3-inch semi-trash pumps for tanker operations. But here, as you can see, we're really stuck into the jetter business. And this is the beginning of a run of 50 of our big Aussie Pythons. These are 31 litre per minute flow and 4,300 PSI. You can see here they've got the big IGX 800s on them. Here's the production manager, Mal Patel, with his team down here producing the stuff. Mr. Patel.
Hello.
Mal, you have 5 minutes for us. So these are the Pythons, right? The big flow machines.
Yes, high flow drain cleaning jetters.
And these are part of our Mark III Deluxe version production runs. I see that stainless steel reels.
Yep, new modified super heavy duty frame.
I noticed that the frames have got curves on them instead of sharps. That must mean a bit more OH&S friendly too.
Correct. When we improved the thickness of the pipe, it's now 32 mil. Before we had 25 mil, so more meat, no sharp edges, looks nice, heavy duty.
It's all stainless steel.
And all stainless steel.
Yeah, now tell me, this is a 31 litre pump. That's a huge pump. It's a big Bertolini. Why are we going to a 31 litre pump when everybody else seems to be selling maximum 23 litre per minute flows?
Bigger diameter drain pipes you can clear with these machines. Plus you can do it quicker, even in case if you're doing a normal commercial and residential pipe, which are 100, 150 mil. With the 31 litre minute per flow, you can do them quicker, you can flush them out quicker.
Okay, now this is a 4,000 PSI, I should say, pump, and you're using these new Honda IGX 800 engines.
Yes.
Have they got enough grunt to run a 31 litre pump?
Yes, absolutely. So these are Honda approved configurations. So these engines are capable of pulling 4,200 PSI at 31 litres per minute.
So you could actually use these on small stormwater drains too, not just sewage lines.
That's right. Yeah, we supply with the 60 metre or 3/8 drain cleaning hose.
Yep.
Plus you can buy another 60 metre or 1/4 inch hose on a portable mini reel. So if you want to do a small diameter pipe, you can use a mini reel as well.
Now the mini reels are now available in stainless steel as well, aren't they?
Yes, so the complete package you can buy all stainless steel, which is of a premium package.
Now all these machines come with a free wash gun, don't they?
Wash down gun kit and the 7-piece Mustang nozzle box.
Yep.
Safety plates covers the drain and prevents the hose coming back to the operator.
Okay. Now are these machines Class B or Class A machines?
So these are a Class B machine.
What does that mean actually?
So that means the operator do require RTO certification. It's a training course, two days training course where operator can get certified. If you are certified, then you are in line with the standard association.
We'd obviously recommend anybody buying these machines, and certainly local government bodies are all getting their people certified. But you know, that certification belongs to the operator who's done the course.
Other machines always tell if it's a Class A or Class B.
Okay, so anybody who wants to understand this, all they've got to do is pull up that standard and read it, and they can understand everything.
Correct, yes. The plumbers out there must be careful before selecting any machine. Make sure their machines fall under Class B and it's got all the required features for it to be a Class B machine. Like for example, you must have a e-stop machine, plus once we're finished we'll put a hose restraint on of a hose. So those are the mandatory classification for Class B machine.
Okay, so it's not just about giving the course, you actually have to have the machine set up the right way as well.
Correct, yes.
So all your Class B machines here that come through our production have those features.
Correct.
Okay, well listen, thanks for your time. I'll let you go back to work, but
No worries, thank you.
Appreciate the opportunity to show us how good these machines are and to explain a little bit about what people need to know before they actually make a selection. Thanks very much for that.
Thank you.